Okay, Roland, welcome to myprintresource.com, and thank you for stopping by during your busy time here at GRAPH EXPO 2012.
Thank you.
Tell me, how's manroland faring now? You've had a tumultuous last year or so, and you're coming out of it pretty well. Customers happy, company happy. Are you happy?
Well, it's been an interesting ride, for lack of a better word, Roger. You know, our parents' insolvency filing impacted our European operation much more than it did ours. At that time, our former company here was a financially independent company. We weren't legally tied to the insolvency, and we also did not really suffer as a result of it. We were healthy financially, we had a good market, and we had a strong customer base. And so on the service and support side, the insolvency filing did not really impact us, for the most part. There are always a few issues here and there, but for the most part, I have to say that we continued our good standard, high standard of customer support, and many of our customers really didn't feel the impact of that on the service and the support side.
Sure.
On the new press sales side, yes, we were much more tied to our parent company, but you know, the weak market and the economy actually was our ally in that regard, because there weren't many presses sold in 2011 or in 2012 to this date. Mm-hmm. So really, many of our customers did not feel the disruption because there was none. And many of our customers, you know, the old insolvency and bankruptcy is much more accepted here in the US because it happens regularly. People do it to restructure, to reorganize. So it didn't really have the dramatic impact that we feared it might.
What do you see as a future for web offset as opposed, let's say, to digital? Is it you see more of a combination of the two, or is there marriage in the future, or?
You know, there are many reasons why the offset platform is a strong one,
right,
and it's become what it is today. Yes, digital inkjet and digital printing is absolutely here. In certain market applications, such as variable print applications, offset has no say whatsoever in that market. It's not our domain. But you know, in a static, higher volume area, I doubt if digital printing will really ever take a huge chunk of that business. There's just too much that offset adds in the way of added value, of process costs, much lower cost, quality, inline, whatever you want to put on the end of the press. So I think at this point it is really, as inkjet or digital print technology evolves, so does offset. You know, we're not sitting, I don't think any manufacturer is sitting on their hands. And so we are really obviously moving forward as well. We understand let's say the positive aspects of digital print. We certainly can't deny the strength it has in various markets. But you know, as we move forward into a much more fragmented communications market, which we are in,
yes,
whether
absolutely,
it's ink on paper, we as an offset manufacturer just have to be that much more creative and progressive in a sense, and keep evolving so that we can capture and maintain that share of the market that I think will be there as long as I'm in the industry. And I really, if you look at the volume in the US alone, I don't really know, and I haven't met anybody who could tell me how much volume can actually be taken over in a static market by digital printing. I don't know that. So I really am, if you look at the retail, the magazine, the publication market, as well as also newspaper markets, other
sure,
market segments. There's so much high volume involved in that, so many demands that at this point anyway, digital printing just can't satisfy. So I think offset has got a very strong future in this market, in the communications market.
Do you have a strong outlook going forward for the company?
Absolutely. You know, through this re-emergence process, we learned a lot. We came from another era. Our company was geared at one point to be a lot different than we need to be today to go forward. And I feel that we've learned a lot through the process. I believe we've become much more focused. We no longer have a sheet-fed product. We are focusing on roll-fed production systems. So that has given us a better focus on our market segment. We have also learned a lot because we're a lot smaller globally than we were before, and out of both need and perhaps also just being smarter than we were before, we partner more readily with others. Our relationship with OSE in the digital front, our relationship with ABB in the electric upgrades area for newspaper primarily. So we're doing things differently, we're doing things smarter, and we're doing the things that we need to do to make sure that we're here in this market to support our customers.
Well, I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that are very pleased to hear that as we go forward, that manroland's going to continue to be a strong player in the marketplace.
Absolutely, stronger, focused, and absolutely there for our customers. Our biggest concern today is that we are able to support the customers the way they need to be supported and provide the solutions they need to keep themselves successful.
Sure. Thank you for stopping by, taking the time to be with us on myprintresource.com.
Thank you very much for asking.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.